Okay, so this motherboard here is missing that pin right there. The only way to fix it is to remove the entire piece. Luckily, I have a replacement. Boom. Let's get it installed. Wait a minute. Ah, he sent the wrong one. No. Well, you know what? All is not lost. So what I'll do, I gotta take the other one apart. What to do? I'm gonna take it off of this one. This has now become my parts. So, I can't believe that. He sent me the one for the regular Nintendo. Oh, Switch. Okay, this is my parts now. I got a bone to pick with him. I hope those pins are okay. I can't tell. Oh, it's just the solder. I mean it's just this stuff. Okay, that looks good. Okay, they look solid. time for a test. Okay, here we go. I got this on my test board. So these motherboards don't have a case, so I don't know where to put them. I'm just fixing them up because I guess I can. Uh-oh. Hang on. Oh, shoot, my backlight. Give me a second. Boom. And there we go. It's fixed. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna wrap it up. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with this board yet. I have 3 of them or 4. I think I have 4 now that are working boards. I think I'm just gonna replace the ones that I can't fix with the good ones, and take the bad ones out. So yeah. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you all liked it. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. My kids all around me, but anyways, man. And if you like this, video, go ahead and give me a like. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Y'all be safe. Thanks.